What are you videoing, you mug?
Videoing you, man.
Yeah, but that.
I'm happy with that.
Okay, you ready? Now, next, take it off. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna push down a bit, right?
Yep.
We're gonna go for it, man.
Okay. Give me the cork thing.
This is the corker.
The cork.
And then have a look. How much do you want to go? Just as much more? Can you go more? Okay. Just don't move. Wait, don't move. Ready? Push. Little bog there. It's probably not going to stick. A lot of bog there. Try it.
Stuck, man. Oh, fire.
Okay. You can probably go hammer soon. You want me to weld along there?
If you can.
Okay. Should cut that, didn't like that. Look at that, man. That's what you call TIG MIG weld.
Tick me.
You've never seen that before, mate. So only a couple of people in the world that can do that. You've got to use LPG gas. Now, ready?
Ready, man.
Okay. I'm not real happy with that, man. I should cut it. Anyway, now I can weld that there, right on that spot. Alright?
On the
Yep.
brace.
Okay, you understand? Okay.
It's there, man. It's there.
Maybe I won't push that in as much. Oh, no, that's alright. Okay, I can go along here a bit.
Go on,
Alright.
go along there a bit.
And then I can go inside, alright?
Careful.
Alright, that's up against. Yeah, that's it, man. Alright, ready? Okay,
Okay.
I'll do a couple there, one there, there, and then under there, that just needs pushing. Right?
Hammer?
Oh, yeah? We can hit that around, but
Just down there.
just wait a sec.
It's up against, man.
It's pretty good. Under here, it's not real good. It's like it needs heating and hitting. Here it'll be alright, we can push here, I can put some weld along there.
And just
Right,
leave that.
it's just a matter there.
Just leave that.
I reckon you could bang it, bang, 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 and panel beat it round. Do you know what I mean? Once I tack a few tacks on the inside. But we're working our way down now. So now I've got to go sort of on the inside. You know what I mean? You got to come here with a tin bar and push, and I'll find the holes and just weld it everywhere. Alright? Don't worry about this side, we'll do that later.
Okay, too easy.
Alright.